Tesla. Now, remember yesterday we had Tesla at a key critical area at 290 yesterday. We want to see that break that 290. That was yesterday. So that is yesterday's previous high. That means it's going to be a double top up there at 290. So watch for a pullback there. There's your pullback now at 290. Tesla now coming back, testing, breaking through VWAP on the 1 minute candle. Pay attention to Tesla here. It did run up in the pre-market. Typically, if it runs up in the pre-market, you know it's going to pull back. Tesla now crashing out. Tesla down here, Tesla support 286.61. First level of support I got right there. That's that pre-market right here, a pre-market double bounce. That is a triple bounce at 286.61. That should be support. There it is, bouncing back up now, breaking up above the 200. Tesla's testing that support area now there. If that breaks through that, look for a pull. Support for Tesla was at 286.61. Super heavy here, though. Everybody be careful. Pulls here, you guys are going to be looking for a downward swing to around 285. Be careful. I'm marking everything out for you, gang, over there on Tesla. 286.60, 286 to 285. It's almost every dollar if you guys look at this. There's your key critical areas for Tesla. All right, Tesla over here. So it broke through that 286.61, and then we had identified 286 as the next support level. It also touched that here. It came all the way back up to VWAP and pulled. Now heavy, really heavy. Look at that candle. If it breaks through this 28, there it goes, 286. Look for 285 now in the next punch down area. Lot of volatility in Tesla here, gang. All to the downside so far. Tesla's still to the downside. Tesla's testing this 286. Very heavy here. 286 is support right now. This is support. Don't buy shorts here until it breaks. There goes Tesla. I told you it looks very heavy. 286 being the next level of support. You can see it keeps bouncing 285.50. So it has already created its own support at 285.50. Everybody see right here where it keeps touching? That means that is the new critical area for Tesla. Tesla did find support at 285.50. You're getting a nice pop on Tesla. You're coming up on a double top and resistance on Tesla right here. Please be careful of Tesla in this area. Nice move on Tesla. Here's the double top now. Double top now on Tesla. Tesla right here again, double top. Had a huge push on Tesla. Double top area though. Everybody be cool.